So as I told na, spoken English book. Yesterday it was released. The book is available from today onwards in all general stores and also in Maharshi. Okay. Now do you want to see the book? Yes. Now Sri Chandana will show you the book. Okay. Just see the book and both sides from primary also. Front side first. Okay. What is the title? What is the title? Okay. Bura Srinivas Spoken English, Book 1. Okay, that is Book 1. That means after Book 1 we have Book 2 also there. So once again I am telling, 2013-14 academic year we released one book. That is Sri Grammar. Right? So after 10 years we released one more book, Bura Srinivas Spoken English. Whatever the content in the first book that was included in the second book. Okay? Total content is available. So what are the contents of the spoken English in this? Okay. First grammar points. Okay? And next any topic, take one any, suppose present continuous, any topic. Okay? One topic, that is bilingual, English to Telugu. So at the first vocabulary, meanings, and one topic, bilingual, Telugu to English, and then practice. How to practice in a short time. Total examples. Again we have to like a short notes. Next, homework. Homework also will be in the book only. Answers are at the end of the book. So don't copy answers immediately at the end of the book. First we have to try to write in English. So the translation will be given in Telugu according to the topic, and next present continuous is there. So I'll give in Telugu, then you have to write in English. Answers are at the end of the book. Next, general English. What is general English? What you speak daily in the classroom, with your friends, with your teachers, after going home with your parents, that is. And every page there is a quotation. Top of the page one quotation, and bottom of the page one quotation. And also lot of meanings, and also synonyms and antonyms. You know synonyms and antonyms? You don't know. Opposite words. Opposite words. Okay? Every page meanings are there, quotations are there. Next, conversations. What do you mean by conversation? Dialogue. So every day on the dais we give speech, small speech. But in the book also we have conversation. How teacher and student will speak. Okay na? And between two, mother and daughter, so doctor and patient, there are a lot of conversations. Next, for teachers, the teachers who are coming new are the teachers who are teaching in English medium, and we have designed classroom 1, classroom 2, classroom 3, like. So that is also not only teacher, for the student also. So that the book is very big book, right? So sir, what about the old book? We want old book? No, total old book was included in this new book. So the number of pages 270. How many pages? 270. So then who shall we read the book for? So which category of people? All types of. Okay? Students category. School. Okay na? Primary school, high school, college level, degree level, even PG level also. Everybody can. So this is purely for speaking, communication English. Okay, communication English, how to speak in English. Because, so with the help of this book, you have a lot of improvement. And also one more thing, that even in break time, you are wasting time sometime. Lunch time you are wasting. You are completing lunch in 5-10 minutes and playing. Okay, break time also playing. So that the book will give you lot of opportunity to improve your English. You can read in break time, lunch time, or evening time. Also your parents. Okay now, if you share with your parents also can read. Even those who complete 10th class. Okay. Have your parents passed 10th class? Minimum? So those who have minimum qualification of 10th class, those are able to read English. Definitely they can improve this spoken English with the help of this book. Okay. and the MRP is actually 250 rupees. How much? 250. If you go to general store, not only Sirsila general store, available in all general stores. Next week, also available from Flipkart and Amazon. So next week, we are waiting for that. So for book cost is 250 in general store, we are giving 200. Okay, na? 200 only. So this book is for not 1 year. If you buy the book in first class, same book will be with you up to 8th class. Okay, one time investment. How much amount? 200. Is it big amount? Big amount, 200. Okay, what is the biryani cost? Almost 200. Okay, how many days one biryani can you eat? 1 month? 1 week? 1 day? 1 time. Okay, 200. But if you invest 200, what is the duration of the book? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Okay, that will be. And again second book will come when you complete the first book. It will take for you to read almost 1 year. Okay, let us stop. You can get the book from school only. You can give to a money class teacher and collect the books from today or tomorrow onwards. Anybody can take. Okay, na? From age LKG, KG to PG. Book is designed for KG to PG, LKG to PG. Okay, right. Thank you.